It's the last Friday of 2022, and as we march into 2023, let's begin the last bulletin of Money Time at Money9 on impending price hikes. First up, the Bureau of Energy Efficiency has tightened norms from January 1, 2023. With the new norms kicking in, refrigerators will get costlier by 2 to 5%. At the same time, ceiling fans for the first time will come under the ambit of the mandatory star labeling regulations. Fumiyasu Fujimori, MD Panasonic Marketing India, said the revised BEE norms coming will lead to an increase by up to 5% in the price of refrigerators. He said the company will try to absorb majority of the cost, but entry-level buyers will face some challenges. As per the new norms, existing 3-star fridges will become 2-star products. Executives of Godrej and Haier also expressed similar sentiment. Well, not only consumer goods, even prices of automobiles will increase in January. Leading auto manufacturers have already announced price hikes on a range of models. Prices are being raised to offset the increasing input cost and comply with stricter norms that will come into effect from April 1, 2023. The new emission norms state the vehicles will need to have an onboard self-diagnostic device to monitor the real-time emission levels. The companies that will raise prices in January include Maruti Suzuki, Hyundai, Tata Motors, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Renault, Kia India, Honda and MG Motor. The price hike is expected to range between 2 and 5%. If auto prices rise, can bullion be far behind? Sharing the Commodity Outlook report for 2023, online broking firm ICICI Direct said that gold prices in 2023 will head towards 62,000 rupees per 10 grams. Silver, it says, will surge towards 80,000 rupees per kilogram. A deficit in the global base metal markets is anticipated in 2023 as a result of the supply restrictions from significant manufacturers. Due to the weaker dollar, potential growth in Chinese consumption and declining inventories, the base metals market is anticipated to demonstrate positive momentum in 2023, said ICICI Direct. Now we move on to 5G services. India's 5G smartphone shipments are expected to exceed 4G shipments by the end of next year, driven by the mass adoption of the high-speed technology and the rise in the sale of cheaper handsets, said market research firm Counterpoint. Although the overall 2022 smartphone shipments are estimated to see a yearly decline due to component supply issues and macroeconomic factors, 5G will continue to push smartphone demand in 2023 as well. And as we step down a bit to 4G, if you are living in some areas that are not served by 4G yet, then this is good news for you. Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited has decided to prioritize tower installations in over 45,000 villages across India that are yet to be connected with 4G network. The government company will focus on areas that are unserved and underserved by Reliance Jio, Bharti Airtel and Vodafone Idea. There are over 45,000 villages in India that are not covered by 4G. Odisha leads the way with over 7,500 villages unserved by 4G. And adding to the compliance burden from January 1, providing Know Your Customer documents will be mandatory for buying new health, motor, travel and home insurance policies. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, IRDA, has made KYC norms mandatory for the purchase of all new insurance policies, irrespective of their premiums, starting Jan 1, 2023. This rule will apply to all types of insurance, which is life, general and health insurance. At present, KYC documents are not mandatory for buying non-life or general insurance policies such as health insurance, auto insurance and travel insurance policies. KYC documents are required only when a claim is made for over 1 lakh rupees. And up next, it's something for realty sector in the Uttar Pradesh sector. Small is good. Smaller towns are attracting more realty projects in Uttar Pradesh. Non-NCR cities pipped Noida, Greater Noida and Ghaziabad to attract over 60% of the new realty projects in the last 5 years. The UP Real Estate Regulatory Authority has said In 2022 alone, the UP RERA registered around 225 projects, of which more than 150 were in non-NCR cities of the state like Lucknow, Varanasi, Gorakhpur, Bareilly, Agra, Mathura and Moradabad. In 2022, approximately 225 applications of the new project registration have been received, of which 125 in the first half and 100 in the second half of the year. Now, if you have an IDBI mutual fund, then this news is for you. IDBI Bank signed an agreement to transfer schemes from IDBI Mutual Fund to LIC Mutual Fund. This has been done as LIC has completed the takeover of the IDBI Bank. LIC completed the takeover of IDBI Bank, the sponsor of IDBI Mutual Fund, in January 2019. However, LIC has its own asset management company, LIC Mutual Fund, under the Securities and Exchange Board of India rules. And we end the year with the markets. The BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty closed on a bearish note on the last trading day of 2022 due to the fag and selling in select banking, IT and capital goods shares. The key indices, however, posted annual gains of over 4% in 2022 to energize as the world's best performing large market indices. Gains in Asian markets also supported the local equities. Sensex rose by 258.8 points or 0.42% to an intraday high of 61,392.68, while Nifty touched a high of 18,265.25 points. The market lost steam after weak opening in European stocks, with the indices paring all gains. The Sensex closed down 293.14 points at 60,840.74. The broader NSE and Nifty declined 85.70 points to end at 18,105.30. The BSE barometer closed 2022 with annual gains of 4.44% or 2,586.92 points, while the Nifty ended the year higher by 4.32% or 751.25 points. And we have some good news for you. Small saving deposit schemes have seen a major hike. To know more about that, go to money9.com and check it out. And with that, we close this Money Time Bulletin for the year. Wishing all our viewers a Happy New Year and see you again on January 2 at the same time. Until then, this is me, Ajay, signing off. Take care and good night.